Hello, Dr. Christie. Paul here. Here's the swim platform, getting renewed. How many coats of varnish you got on this, Taylor?
2.
Or just 2? Okay.
Yeah.
And you'll notice one of the things I did was there was a lot of rot around the screw holes here that were holding it on the brackets. So I drilled all the way through and plugged that with fresh wood, and then I did a quarter-sized, quarter-inch deep plug on top of that because the rod had, in order to get all the rod out that I could get, you could see that, you know, this wood was starting to get affected. It's not. We treated it, so it shouldn't be a problem in our lifetimes. But and you can see, you know, a little darkness, a little water intrusion that had happened before around those fasteners. So anyway, I got most all of that out, and all of the rot's gone. So anyway, just getting her cleaned up. You see the dust? We'll get rid of the dust.
I'll mention too,
Huh?
you thought about maintenance coats on the transom right now. Would be the time to do it while it's off.
Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, Taylor pointed out that right now would be the time to put maintenance coats on the transom because you've got the swim platform actually goes right up against the transom. As a matter of fact, there was varnish between. There was actually a buildup of varnish between the swim platform and the transom. There's a little like 1-inch wide band of extra varnish. One of the other things I wanted to show you is your jack. Your jack is jacked up. The electric jack is jacked up. I think these things run about $350, but it is locked up. That is why we couldn't turn it with a crank without it making a, jumping the gear, the teeth in the gear. So while it's tempting to take this apart and try to find the problem and fix it, electrically it tries to operate, but we don't have. This thing probably blew off in the, got all the sunshine and so forth, and caused it to deteriorate and blow off. So, we could spend some time on this. Probably by the time that we got done spending time on it, we could just have you a new jack on it. The battery's okay, but the jack is the problem. So I just want to get your okay for that. And I was going to show you what Taylor's talking about on the transom. And it wouldn't be terribly expensive. I'll put something in a estimate for you. But if you look at this, you can almost see the line without light. Now you can see it with light. So there's this line right here, and we can sand all that smooth and just get some new, fresh brightness on here for you, if that's what you'd like. So, and do some varnish repair down here, it looks like. Another thought I had too was this side of the boat has less damage. This gets the morning sun. And oh, by the way, it cleaned up real good. I couldn't get the white clean, but there's a guy that rents from me and does detailing. I gave it to him, and he got the white clean. And actually got the gray cleaner too. So it looks brand new pretty much. But over here, there's this is the side that gets the afternoon sun. And so you can see it's damaged more than the other side is. Now we think we have the formula for this paint, so we can repair, it looks like 2 strakes. The paint might not exactly match. It should, because we have the same formula, but there is some age on this paint, so that may make it where it doesn't exactly match, but we can make the, we can stop the line right here, and it'll certainly may look better than that, and certainly any protection we can put on this would help it. The other thought I had was that maybe you would want to do a curtain on one side, and that would be the side that gets the afternoon sun when everything's already hot and the afternoon sun bears down on the boat. So just some thoughts. Anyway, we had hoped to get on it this week, get working on these planks down here and working on this bottom plank, but on the transom that's got the crack in it. But we didn't get to it, obviously, and we'll be getting to it next week. Thank you, sir.